In this example, we're going to graph a line, and the equation of that line is given to us in slope-intercept form, y equals negative 3x plus 1. So the two pieces of information that we need to get from this equation in slope-intercept form are going to be the slope, which is negative 3 because it's the coefficient of my x, and then the y-intercept, which is the constant, kind of comes along for the ride back here. So what this plus 1 means is that our starting point, or the first point we're going to place, is going to be along the y-axis, and it's going to be positive 1, or it's the ordered pair 0, 1. From here, I'm going to make more points, and I'm going to use the slope to do that. So the slope, being negative 3, is going to be negative 3 over 1, or we could say it's 3 over negative 1. It kind of depends on which way we're moving. So let's go ahead and use the negative 3 over positive 1. So it means we're going to go down 3 over 1, and we're going to continue that pattern. Or we can go back to the left, and the way we do that is by going up 3 and back to the left 1. So up 3, back to the left 1. And you'll notice that all these points now are going to be collinear. It just depends on which direction that you want to go. Since the slope is negative 3, we can go down 3 and over to the right 1, or we can go up 3 and back to the left 1. So now that we have all these points drawn, let's go ahead and grab the straight edge. And there we have our line. And put little arrows on the end. So here's the graph of the line given by the equation in slope-intercept form, y equals negative 3x plus 1.